You're crushing it. You're almost there. Day 16 of your fitness journey. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Warm up properly before exercising to avoid injury. Focus on performing the exercise with proper technique. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Today, we will focus on strength training exercises, especially for the chest, shoulders, and arms, with 5 sets of push-up, 5 sets of pike push-up. Hold 3 sets of negative push-ups. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.